Welcome to TDS Online Math. Now let's solve this equation together. Alright, so you can pause the video and give it a try. So we have this and that. Now let's observe the first equation. Let's call this one equation 1 and this one equation 2. So let's reduce the first equation. Let's bring it down. So we have 3 to the power x times, remember 9 is the same as 3 squared. Remember we have y over there. And a1 is the same as 3 to the power 4. Okay, so when we're given x to the power m times, sorry, e to the power n times e to the power n is the same as e to the power m plus n. From laws of indices. Now we can do same here. So 3, let's add the powers. X plus 2y equals to 3 to the power 4. So from here we can equate the powers since the bases are equal. So we have x plus 2y equals to 4. That will be the first equation. Okay, let's look at the second one. That will make the work complicated and intricate. So let's see how we can address it. Now when we have a to the power n on a to the power t is the same as a to the power n minus t. Okay, so 2 to the power x, we have 2 to the power x on 2 to the power y or to the power x equals 4. All right. We have so many ways of dealing with this. Now, situation like this, 2 to the power p on 2 to the power c or to the power n. So this one will affect this and that. So you can say 2 to the power pm on 2 to the power mc or cm. So this one is the same as 2 raised to x times x, that will be x squared, on 2 raised to xy equals to 4. So from here, since the bases are equal, we can subtract since we are dividing. So it will be 2 exponent x squared minus xy equals to 4. And 4 can be expressed as 2 to the power 2. So we have x squared minus xy equals to 2. So let's call this one equation 2. Okay. So from equation 1, x plus 2y equals to 4. X plus 2y equals to 4. Okay. So we can make x the subject here, then we do substitution. So from 1, x is same as 4 minus 2y. That will be the third equation. So we can now plug in x here and have that. So we have 4 minus 2y squared. So that is x minus. So multiplication is commutative. Let me bring the y first. Then put the x, 4 minus 2y equals 2. So let's expand this one. 4 squared 16. And we have 2 times 4, 8 times minus 2y minus 16y plus this one squared, that is 4y squared. Okay, so minus 4y and minus plus 2y squared plus 2y squared equals to 2. Okay. All right, so let's observe this. We have 4 and 2, that is 6y squared minus 20y, this and that. So plus 14 equal to 0 because 16 minus 2. Now let's divide through by 2. So we can divide. So we have 3y squared minus 10y plus 7 equals 0. Okay, so 3 times 7 is 21. So let's find two numbers. Let's see if we get the factors. Now 7, 3, 21. So minus 7 minus 3 are the factors. As simple as that. 3y squared minus 7y minus 3y plus 7 equal to 0. Okay. So from here, y out, 3y minus 7 minus 1 out, 3y minus 7 equal to 0. So we have 3y minus 7, y minus 1, 3y minus 7 equal to 0. Let's confirm. Yeah. So we have y minus 1 equal to 0 or 3y minus 7 equal to 0. So we have y equals to 1 or 3y equals to 7. That will be y equals to 7 on 3. So we have two answers here. Okay. So let's plug in the values of y. X equals 4 minus 2y. X equals to 4 minus 2y. Okay, so when x is 1, okay, when y is 1, so we have x equals to 4 minus 2 times 1, that will be 2. So when x is 1, when x is 2, y is 1, and when y is 7 on 3, 4 minus 2x, 2y's, so y is 7 on 3. So 2, 7, 14 on 3. So 1. So the LCM is 3 on 3 minus 14. That will be minus 2 on 3. So when y is 7 on 3, x will be minus 2 on 3. Okay. And when y is 1, x is 2. So let's verify and see. When x is 1, y is x is 2, y is 1. So this side is 2, 4, and 2 is 2. 2 squared is 4. Okay, so it's correct. So when this side is 2, 9. So 9 times 3 squared, 9, 81. So it's correct. All right.